Hi everyone. Today I was planning to make a whole bird nest walk with an update on the 5 red-backed shrike nests and 1 blackbird nest that I found like 2 weeks ago. This is the second location that I'm actively monitoring, but unfortunately in the last week or so in northwestern Bulgaria we had some record-breaking, I can say, amounts of rain and storms, and the weather was extremely bad. We have floods and stuff like that. So today I finally had the chance to come and check those nests, and unfortunately all of them are not active. All of the nests have damage from the rain. Not even one of them has any signs of eggs or something. So I can say that I didn't want to film all of them because it's pointless, but I can show you the last one and how it looks. But in general those are very bad news. From 5 or 6 active nests, now I have 0 in this location. The weather is still not very stable, so I won't be looking for new nests because I don't want to disturb any birds. But let me quickly show you the condition of that nest. I hope that you can see, but yeah, it's soaked in water, so apparently it was too much rain for the shrikes. And yeah, that will be it. I'm very disappointed, but you cannot do anything with the weather. So hopefully the nests in the other location, which is like 200 kilometers away from here, will have more luck, but we'll see next week. Fingers crossed for them. And that will be it for now. So I guess I was wrong, and not all the red-backed shrike nests were destroyed. I was headed towards my car and I just noticed this one, which is a new one, with 1 fresh egg. So it's a very new nest. They need to have more to start incubating, but the weather is not good, so I'll be heading towards my car. But in any case, I am very happy that at least we found an active nest here in this location. So we'll probably see this after 3 weeks. So after the new nests, I'm almost at my car, and for sure this will be the last observation for today. It's another nest, but yeah, maybe it's from this year. Most probably it's from red-backed shrike, but once again it's soaked with water, so I'm sure that it's not active. So in general, the recap for today is all the nests from the previous walk were destroyed from the rain, which is very disappointing because the habitats and the location are usually very productive in terms of successful shrike nests. And for dessert we had 1 new red-backed shrike nest with 1 egg. So small positive surprise at the end. But in general it wasn't the most pleasant bird nest walk and video, so I hope that next time I will be able to get some more positive content for you. So yeah, bye and see you next time.